Which UK high street store has the very best Pokemon cards, I hear you ask? Well, we're here to find out, and it is semi-final one day. Can you believe we're already at the semi-finals of the UK high street Pokemon card head-to-head? I've got to find a better way to say that. I don't know what the best title is for it. UK high street Pokemon card head-to-head series semi-final one. I don't know. I'm PokeMark. Introduce myself now because, you know, that's cool. And this is Sports Direct / game / Fraser Plus versus HMV. Stores that I very much loved and enjoyed when I was a young man. Stores that I probably don't visit as often as I should anymore, especially HMV. I know that they've struggled in recent years and maybe do need my patronage. They do have a lovely anime section, which is great. Today, we're going into both those stores with one thing in mind, and of course, that is Pokemon cards. If this is your first PokeMark video, if this is your first high street head-to-head video, click the link. I don't know which side it will be on. It will be on one of these sides, and watch the whole series from the start to see how we got here. If you have watched those videos already and you just want a bit of an update, this is how it went down. Sports Direct took on Ryman Stationery in the first episode, and it was a complete and utter whitewash. Sports Direct had a really lovely array of collection boxes and the like. Ryman had nothing. Then in episode 3, HMV took on WH Smith. Both were able to give me Journey Together. However, HMV was able to give me 3 packs, whereas WH Smith only 2, and HMV's hits were enough to take it through to this very semi-final. What do I expect today? I'm hoping that both stores have Pokemon cards. That's the number one thing I'm hoping for. Sports Direct, I'm expecting good stock. Maybe not, you know, the latest sets, but something. And then HMV, I'm expecting less stock, but more recent stock. That would be my expectations. Will I be correct? Well, there is only one way to find out. And it's not fight. This isn't Harry Hill's TV burp. This is PokeMark's high street head-to-head. So no fights, just packs. And so we're into Sports Direct first, down to the back corner. And no, the shop wasn't upside down. I just can't afford a good editor and didn't notice until I was far too late in the process to switch it around. Well, my luck had to run out at some point, right? Sports Direct had been absolutely stripped of all of their collection boxes, gone. However, behind the till, they did have some loose packs. Paradox Rift was all that they had on offer. I got 3 packs because I wasn't sure whether I was going to be getting anything from HMV or not, and I didn't want to overspend to then... Ooh. We've got 2 packs of Paradox Rift. I didn't want to overspend because I wasn't sure what I was going to be able to pick up in HMV. Unfortunately, HMV was a barren wasteland, which was a real shame because I think, personally, I wanted to see the store that was a kind of advocate for media in general. Cartoons, movies, music, anime. I wanted to see that store beat the sports store that has a tiny little game section in the back. So I would say I am disappointed. If you'd have asked me at the start of this competition, who's going to make it to the final, I would never, ever, ever have picked the sports store. Game slash Sports Direct slash Fraser Plus is in here as kind of like a sort of a bonus candidate. I didn't expect them to make it all the way to the final and to win the semi-final without a match, which is mildly disappointing. So, 3 packs to open. Paradox Rift. It's good in a way because I still need some Paradox Pokemon for my Paradox Pokemon collection, which I'm still collecting. Hopefully I can pull 1 or 2 of those. That would be nice just to add to my binder. But yeah, overall, not an amazing result really. But we move. We move. Okay, so we're back at base, and it was quite disappointing today. Nothing from HMV at all, which, you know, isn't great. Means that Sports Direct are going straight into the final without a fight. But by how much is the question. We do have 3 packs of Paradox Rift to open. Let's just get straight into it. Okay, away we go. So pack number 1. It's a code card for you. Yeah, and this one's going to be grass. It's steel. So we've got Larry, Golbat, Yamask, Surskit, Iron Bundle. I might have this Iron Bundle already. Techno Radar, Counter Catcher, Reverse Holo Gibble, Reverse Holo Gligar, and Chien Pao. And the next pack, let's go. Code card for you. And this time the energy is going to be fire. Psychic. So, we've got Ferroseed, Gibble, Panpour, Blitzel, Tulip, Veluza, Chantal, Reverse Holo Tulip, Reverse Holo Blipbug, and Iron Jungulus. So far, a relatively poor showing from Sports Direct, I won't lie to you. And the final pack, Garchomp for luck. And we have code card for you, and this time the energy is going to be dark. It's grass. Got none of them right, absolutely none. So, Zubat, Gimmighoul, Purloin, Mindfu, Professor Sada's Vitality, Tatsugiri, Dondozo, Reverse Holo Kingdra, Iron Hands EX, illustration rare, look at that, and Wo Chien. There we go, that is exactly the kind of card I'm looking for, because that can go straight into my Paradox Pokemon collection, and it is an illustration rare, which are my favourite kind of current cards. Awesome. I was really about to start mouthing off about how rubbish Sports Direct were and how they didn't deserve their place in the final, and then they hit me with what I call the holy grail of Pokemon cards, which is an illustration rare of a Paradox Pokemon. Here is Iron Hands EX. He's in some sort of ruins. I love ruins too, so you know, happy days. Great result for me. So, Iron Hands EX is a card that I need for my Paradox Pokemon collection, which means I can put it straight into my Paradox Pokemon binder, which is this lovely pastel yellow binder that I got from Vault X. You can get your own binders from Vault X and get 10% off with the code PokeMark UK, all capitals. I think it goes here on the screen. If it goes here, just ignore me and I'm being a wally. And let's get it in. So, the future ones are at the back, marked by my pink post-it notes. So we're looking for a Paradox Rift, Iron Hands EX art rare. So let's take that post-it note away, and in goes See that? Focus. In goes the card. Lovely. Happy days. So that is Sports Direct /game /Fraser Plus, whatever they're calling themselves now, into the final. They will be facing off against either Waterstones or my local stores. That will be our video next week, the next semi-final. Please make sure you join me there to find out who is going to be taking on Sports Direct in the final video. Make sure you have liked, commented, subscribed, and I will see you then. Thanks for watching.